Hey crypto traders, listen up, because we've got a red flag flashing across the charts, and it's one you don't want to ignore. The crypto market is sending out some serious warning signals right now, and if you're not paying attention, you could get caught off guard. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, or Chainlink, what's happening right now could shake up your portfolio in a big way. Even if you're just watching from the sidelines, these next few days could set the tone for the entire month ahead. Let's break down what's going on in plain language. No jargon, no hype, just the facts you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. Starting with Bitcoin, yeah, the weekly trend still looks bullish overall, but if you zoom in, you'll spot some warning signs. The price action might look strong at first glance, but there are cracks forming beneath the surface that every trader should be aware of. The big one right now, a bearish divergence showing up on the RSI. This is one of those classic signals that experienced traders watch like hawks. What does that mean? Basically, even though Bitcoin's price is pushing higher, the momentum behind those moves is fading. It's like the engine is revving but the car isn't accelerating as fast as it should. That's a red flag for potential weakness ahead. In the past, these signals have led to short-term corrections, not total catastrophe, but enough to make traders sweat for a few weeks. It's the kind of move that can shake out weak hands and test your conviction, so be prepared for some turbulence. Now check out the 3-day MACD. It's starting to turn bearish. This is another major technical indicator that's flashing caution right now. If that crossover confirms in the next couple of candles, it could be the first time since that last big pullback earlier this year, and that dip lasted several weeks. History doesn't always repeat, but it often rhymes, so don't underestimate the power of these signals. So, what's the magic number to watch on Bitcoin? $101K to $102K support. This is the line in the sand for bulls right now. If we break below that, it's a slippery slope down to the $96K, $98K region. That's a significant drop, and it could trigger a wave of stop losses and panic selling. On the flip side, BTC is trading sideways, bouncing between $104K support and $110K, $112K resistance. This range-bound action is frustrating for both bulls and bears, but it's also a sign that the market is gearing up for a bigger move. Bulls and bears are both running low on steam. Volume is drying up, and traders are getting impatient, waiting for a breakout or breakdown to set the next trend. Let's talk Ethereum. ETH is battling a wall at $2,800, trying not to slip below $2,400. The price is getting squeezed tighter and tighter, and something's gotta give soon. But heads up. A bearish divergence is also forming here on the daily chart, hinting at either a pullback or more sideways chop. If you're trading ETH, keep your stops tight and your eyes open for sudden volatility. If ETH drops under $2,400, the next support targets are $2,100, then $1,800. Those are the levels where buyers might step in, but if they don't, things could get ugly fast. But honestly, it all comes back to what Bitcoin does next. Bitcoin is still the king, and its move set the tone for the entire crypto market, including all the major altcoins. Switching gears to Solana. SOL sitting right at a make-or-break support zone between $143 and $146. This is a critical area that could decide the next big move for Solana. If it holds, maybe we see a bullish W pattern pop up. That could spark a rally and bring some much-needed optimism back to SOL holders. If it doesn't, the next stop is $124 to $125. That's a pretty steep drop, so keep your risk management tight if you're trading Solana right now. Same vibe for XRP. Not much action lately, just bouncing between 25 cents and 23 cents, waiting for a clear move. It's like watching paint dry. But sometimes these quiet periods come right before a big breakout. And for Chainlink, it's crunch time. Link is tightrope walking on $12.80 support. The pressure is building, and traders are watching closely for a decisive move. If the bulls don't step up, we could see a drop to $12.20 or even $10.90. That would be a tough hit for Link holders, so keep your guard up. If it bounces, watch for $14.20 and $15.50 on the upside. A strong rebound here could signal a shift in momentum, but it all depends on how the broader market behaves. But like every other altcoin, Link's fate is tied to Bitcoin. Sideways BTC, sideways Link. If Bitcoin dumps, so does Link. It's a reminder that in crypto everything is interconnected, so always keep an eye on the big picture. Bottom line, the crypto market is in limbo. Everyone's waiting for a catalyst, and until it arrives, expect more choppy, unpredictable price action. Warning signs are everywhere, but it's not time to panic. Instead, use this time to review your strategy, tighten your risk controls, and make sure you're ready for whatever comes next. Keep your eyes on those key support levels, stay sharp, and remember, sometimes the best move is to just wait and watch. Patience is a powerful tool in markets like this, so don't feel pressured to make a move if the setup isn't right. If this helped you out, tap that like button and subscribe for more real-time crypto updates. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest analysis and alerts. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there and happy trading.